Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to replace S23 Ultra Screen without frame. So right now Samsung is providing LCDs without the frame. So we have to refurbish the LCD. It's the part. So here are some glue sticks. Let us heavy tape. First of all, we have to start from middle tape. This one is a good adhesive. So all four white points should be in the center. So you can align it according to the mold. That's the best way. And its bottom layer. Peel off the paper. There are two holes and adhesive sheet. So you can align the bottom adhesive with the sheet with the help of two holes. Pretty easy and simple way to align properly. You can use a plastic tool to set it properly on the frame. Make sure there should be no any dust particle on your frame, otherwise the adhesive is not fixed properly. And later on the screen can be pop up. Put small pressure, little pressure on the bottom glue. Then it's ready to remove the plastic tube again. So the next is the final adhesive for all middle frame from top to bottom. It is also simple to align with proper holes in the sheet. Just align the holes according to mold. Make sure your mold should be properly tied with the frame so it's easy to align. Then again you can also use a plastic tool to align and press the adhesive tape on the frame. So I'm using my finger to check there should not be any air bubble in adhesive. Grab the LCD and remove the paper layer from top to bottom. Do not peel it from bottom first because it can damage the LCD. There is a protective plastic cap at the bottom, so you can peel it off from upward to downside. It's pretty easy. So the next thing is you should be careful about the flex on the screen, so it should be properly go down, otherwise if it stick middle of the frame and LCD it won't work. So once you align the screen according to the frame with the help of Mould, you can start pressing it down with little pressure to make sure it sits properly. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.